adverse drug reactions are the fourth leading cause of death in the United States. My guest today is Houston attorney Terry Bryant, and he's going to talk about drug injuries, or as they are sometimes called, defective drugs. So Terry, thank you for being with me today.
Oh, thanks for having me.
Well, Terry, how common is it that drugs are recalled?
20% of new drugs will be issued drug recalls or will have to include an additional safety warning.
So you're saying that 1 in 5 drugs that has already been approved by the FDA is later pulled from the market?
That's correct, Cindy. And part of the problem is that the FDA's adverse event reporting system isn't mandatory, so the agency depends on drug companies to voluntarily report negative side effects.
And that feeds into a topic that we've discussed many times, and that is how big business often puts profits over people.
Yes, a current example of that is the birth control drug Yaz and Yasmin. We are hearing a great deal about injuries that are caused by these pills. And what happens is that until the legal system gets involved and holds the drug manufacturers accountable, nothing changes.
And how exactly do you hold the drug manufacturer accountable?
What happens is a civil action is filed where there are multiple plaintiffs, and we call that a mass tort. And by a mass tort, I mean each individual's injuries may be different from the harm caused by the dangerous drug, but they're accumulated together for purposes of processing the claim. It's not actually a class action, so we refer to it as a mass tort.
Okay. So you're trying to help people get some legal help with these Yaz and Yasmin cases, is that correct?
Absolutely. We're taking calls on a daily basis for those kinds of cases.
Just so we understand this phrase, mass tort, are there other types of cases that you take calls for and talk with people about?
Yes, we've done that for a number of years, starting with breast implants. Breast implants was probably one of the very first mass torts handled in this country, and there have probably been dozens and dozens since then.
Okay. So Terry, can you give us your contact information?
Absolutely. Our toll-free number is 1-800-444-5000, and we're on the web at terrybryant.com.
Okay. Thank you so much, Terry.
Well, thank you for having me.
This is Cindy Speaker reporting.